Hello, hello. My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of the PetPeePee company. A nice guy from Kansas called me and said to me, I just received for free 11 by 22 Oriental rug. Made in, he said it's from Iraq, but usually it's not from Iraq, it's from Iran. And I'm debating if it's worth it for me to clean the rug. The rug is 11 by 22, big rug. And I say to the guy, ask yourself, do I like the rug? My wife like the rug? Is the rug match my house? If yes, buy it, use it, clean it. If you don't like the rug, and it doesn't matter how much it cost. If the value of the rug is $1 or $1,000 or $100,000, it didn't make any difference. You like it, you hate it. One of my customers for 2 years searching for a rug that she wanted in a special design, colors, and pattern. It took her 2 years to find a rug in Louisiana, and she's living in California. So finding the rug that you like is like almost winning a lottery. Very difficult. Let me tell you the story of this rug. 2 years ago, I picked up this rug from a 94 years old lady live not far from my warehouse. When I delivered the rug to the warehouse, my wife stepped in. She looked at the rug and she said, wow, I like this rug. If my wife say to me, I like this rug, I would love to purchase it for her. So I asked the lady upon delivery if she will sell me the rug. And the lady, she's 94 years old, she said to me, Martin, I grew up on this rug. This rug is over 120 years old. Over. And it's belonged to my parents. And how can I sell this rug? It's in my family. Okay, of course, heirloom rug, very hard to find and very hard to let it go. So I said, okay, I left the rug. Few days ago, her son called me and he said to me, Martin, come over. I have the rug. I live on a 7th floor. Come over. I remember the place. I went over there and the guy said to me, will you want to buy the rug from me? And I said, yes. And I paid $2,000 for this rug. And I pick up the rug. I'm cleaning at the rug in a special way. This is my rug. It's going to my house because my wife like it, and I would like to satisfy my wife. Whatever she like, I will do. So I'm cleaning this rug in a special way that I'm cleaning all my antique Oriental rug. Let me explain to you how I do that.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Since the rug is made with a high quality dye, it's a vegetable dye. However, the rug have no issue. No color on, no fuzziness, no scrubbing, none. So I'm flooding the rug with a mild Dead Sea cleaner. But the first cleaner that I'm putting on the rug that you see it right now, it's a very, very concentrated Dead Sea cleaner with a freezing water. Freezing. The water have to be very, very cold to hold the color in the rug. So a lot of ice in the water, the cleaner, and I flood it with the vinegar and the Dead Sea cleaner. This is guaranteed to hold the color so it will never run. One. Second, I flood the rug on the top gently to remove all the soap, enzyme, deodorizer that the lady used on the rug. And then the vacuum from under the rug, the machine that I build, the XpetPee machine. I build it from scratch. Vacuum all the cleaner through the rug. So all the nuts and all the cotton and every piece of the rug will be washed through the fiber. This is how I remove all the urine crystal, the dirt, the dust, everything that is in the rug that accumulate for so long. After I wash the rug, I am looking on the tube. You will see it shortly. The tube shows me what the vacuum extract from the rug in real time. So if it's yellow, I will continue the cleaning process. When it's completely clear, I finish the cleaning process. Take a look how my cleaning process progress. Enjoy the free music by Google, and I will be back. The blended minerals from the Dead Sea flood the rug gently and slowly. Why? Because I don't want to wake up the cleaning product the customer used. Because the cleaning product the customer used, it's enzyme. An enzyme, it's basically soap. When you apply the soap on the rug and you're using a high pressure, it will ignite the soap and make it foamy. Very difficult to remove it. And when you apply soap, enzyme on the pee-pee, two of them blend together and it's become a pee-pee soap. The pee-pee soap stay in the rug. The chlorine, the high pH balance evaporate, and the oil from the cleaner bond with the urine crystal, and two of them together having a free rent home at your rug. I have to remove it, so I flood it slowly, and then the vacuum suck everything strongly, and everything will be removed from the rug completely. This is how the tube looks. The tube, it's yellow because I'm cleaning this rug from PEEPEE. This is not a gold, it's PEEPEE. And this is the reason why I called my company PetPeePee, because I'm specialized to remove this yellow, nasty things from your Oriental rug. My invention, the XpetPee machine, and the natural cleaner from the Dead Sea, reward me with a 5-star reviews on Google all the time. I clean the most high quality rug ever made, and I remove the urine odor with a guarantee color will never run, removal of all the soap and the chemicals that was in the rug. It's meant the rug will be soft, shiny, and beautiful looking upon delivery, guarantee. And because I don't use or I wash completely the entire soap from the rug and remove any particle in the rug and more, I left a little bit of the Dead Sea cleaner inside your rug to prevent any bacteria that's thinking coming to your house and leave free rent in your rug will face a hard time with my cleaning product. I'm sorry. The Dead Sea cleaner is natural, organic, eatable. The taste is bitter like the Dead Sea, but it is the miracle cleaning product that I invented. And I'm very proud of it. Let me give you a good advice before Christmas 2021. If you're having Oriental rug that you like it, keep it. Will be very difficult to find a rug that your wife and you like it and make your house rich and vivid and warm and welcoming. This is Oriental rug. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee video. Enjoy my video and thank you very much. PetPeePee is a nationwide and worldwide service using UPS for pickup and delivery. Thank you, and you have a happy New Year's 2021, very soon, 2022.